going on YouTube? It is your boy DS Dan. I am back again with another one for you guys, man. Take a look. We have the Air Jordan 5 Toro Bravo Raging Bulls on deck. I am about to give you guys a detailed review and an on feet, so stay tuned for that on feet. Before we get into this video, all you guys out there, make sure you hit that thumbs up. Click that subscribe button and also click the notification bell so you guys get notified when I upload videos like these. Classic shoe right here. These were released, what, 11 years ago, man, in a pack, in the Raging Bull pack. Last time this shoe was released, 2009. They released with the black pair, and these released today. I hope you guys were lucky to get them. I couldn't get them early, so I'm bringing you them today. Luckily, somebody I know was able to hook me up. Before we get into these, guys, I gotta talk to you about AFTECKA. Yep, that's right. Look at the packaging, man. Look at the packaging on AFTECKA's Sole Protectors. They are sponsoring this video right here. I'm gonna open this up and I want to show you guys, because the Sole Protectors I have are actually for the 5s. I'm gonna show you guys how good and how important it is to have Sole Protectors, man. Come on now, you paying a lot of money for these shoes. You know, you wanna make sure that your soles are still icy, man. Just look at these beauties. Look at that icy blue. You know what I'm saying? You want to keep them nice and fresh. So we got the Sole Protectors from AFTECKA on deck. All right, I'm gonna show you guys real quick. Take a look at the film. All you need to install this, all you need is a heat gun or a hair dryer. So if you're gonna put them on, bam, you just go like this. You just put it like this. You line it up, boom. You flatten it all out. You get that heat gun, you apply it on, and boom, you will have your soles protected. You guys need to go follow AFTECKA. We are going to be doing a giveaway also, me and AFTECKA, so stay tuned. Guys, get your sole protectors while you can, especially for these right here. And they also have sneaker shields, guys. Like, come on, man. AFTECKA, yo, I've been messing with them since day one. One thing I love too, they have these 3M stickers that protect the Nike Air in the inside of the shoe. You know, the Nike Air in there or the Jumpman. Instead of you putting tape, you can use these 3M films. These shoes are expensive, guys. You know, come on. That's why I'm trying to hook you guys up. Go to AFTECKA. Link will be in the description below. Get your Sole Protectors to protect your Raging Bulls and all that. Take a look at that box, guys. You can see it got the wood on it. Got the red Jumpman. Take a look at the size tag. Size tag reads Air Jordan 5 Retro. The colorway is Varsity Red, Black, White. Inside, you got the paper like the box with the wood on it. And as you guys can see, this shoe features a whole suede upper. It doesn't change or anything like that, but it's a nice material. Nice suede on here, man. You got the red laces. Doesn't come with any extra set of laces. You do got the lace lock. Take a look at that lace lock. Now, on the tongue, you do got the 3M tongue. Black Jumpman stitched in. Show you guys what the 3M tongue looks like. Black eyelids on this side. You guys can see red and black all throughout the shoe. Probably one of my favorite releases this year already. Black on the midsole. You got the shark teeth. You can see you got the red shark teeth on the top, and then you got the white under it. Take a look at the netting. 23, of course, stitched in. Very nice. All red suede upper, like I said. Let's get to the medial side of the shoe. Medial, same as the lateral. You got your all red on the upper and the suede with the netting. Black on the midsole with the hit of white right there. Air bubble unit is clear. As for sizing on this shoe, I do recommend you guys go true to size. Go true to size, you'll be good to go. Black inner sole, white Jumpman. It is the thick white inner sole. Sock liner in black. Behind the tongue, you got your Air Jordan, and you got your Jumpman in the back in black, stitched in with the red. Now I'll show you guys the bottom, and remember what I said, guys. You guys need that Sole Protector, that AFTECKA. I'm telling you now, all icy bottom, translucent. You can see you got the red Jumpman right there with the black in the front. Jordan in black with your black hit right there. This is definitely going down as one of my top shoes for 2021. Resale on these right now are going for a pretty penny, man. They're at like $350, $3 to $350. I want to know what you guys think in the comment sections below. Hit that thumbs up for your boy, man. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Make sure you guys go check out AFTECKA. Link will be in the description. Just go down there, click the link. It'll take you to the Instagram. Go follow them on Instagram because we are doing a giveaway soon, so stay tuned. Let's get into this on feet. It's your boy, DS Dan. I'm gone.